Imagine this. Your team's shipping code faster than ever, but every sprint feels like a game of whack-a-mole with security alerts. Vulnerabilities slip through, compliance audits keep you up at night, and your Kubernetes clusters? Let's just say they're not winning any security beauty contests. The DevSecOps Pipeline-Pack fixes this with pre-built SAST DAST workflows for GitHub Actions and GitLab CI, automated SBOMs via CycloneDX, Trivy-powered container image scanning, and policy as code enforcement with Open Policy Agent. We're talking SOC2 compliance validation that runs faster than your morning CI pipeline, and dependency checks that'll make your security lead actually smile. For DevOps engineers, platform leads, and security folks who'd rather not explain another breach to the board, this is your new best friend. Security doesn't have to be a bottleneck. It can be your superpower. Here's what's inside the DevSecOps Pipeline Pack. Static analysis with pre-tuned semgrep rules for cloud-native code. Dynamic testing modules that auto-generate API test cases from your open API specs. Dependency scanning that tracks vulnerable NPM packages and Docker layers down to the exact line number. Container hardening profiles for Kubernetes that enforce CIS benchmarks before deployment. Compliance automation that spits out SOC 2 ready reports with a single command. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool chain, it's your security Swiss Army knife, ready to slice through complexity. Installing the DevSecOps Pipeline Pack takes one command. npx quanta-skills add devsecops-pipeline-pack. That's it. You just downloaded 15 battle-tested security workflows, from pre-commit hooks to production audit trails. Your next Claude code session picks up the new syntax highlighting for security policies. Your AI assistant now knows how to debug a failing DAST scan and explain OWASP ASVS v4 requirements like a pro. No PhD required. Just run the command and watch your pipeline become a security fortress. Because in 2024, shipping code should never mean shipping vulnerabilities.